As the 2025 Champions Trophy continues in Dubai, a powerful message is coming from Pakistan's former cricket captain Sarfaraz Ahmed. With the tournament being held in a hybrid model where India's matches are played in Dubai while Pakistan hosts that competition. Sarfaraz Ahmed is urging the Indian team to visit Pakistan for cricket, a call for unity, respect and love for the game. The people of Pakistan love India and their cricketers a lot, and they respect them a lot. The way international cricket has returned to Pakistan in the last 7 to 8 years, we have seen top stars like Steve Smith, Kane Williamson and Pat Cummins play here. Now, it's time for the Indian team to come to Pakistan. Our people want to see them and they'll give them so much love. In an emotional plea, Sarfaraz Ahmed said the atmosphere in Pakistan is now safe and welcoming. He emphasized that the fans in his home country not only respect the players from India but genuinely want to witness their cricket heroes in person. Although the PCB and BCCI have worked out the current hybrid model for the Champions Trophy, Sarfaraz is hopeful that this will change soon. His message was clear. Pakistanis are eager to host Indian cricketers, and the culture of both nations is more alike than many may think. I think there is no difference. Our only problem is the line. Our culture is the same. If you talk, I live in Karachi, and the style of people in Karachi and Mumbai is exactly the same. We also speak fast. I also speak fast. I remember visiting Delhi in 2007. The old Sardar market, there was just like the Sardar in Karachi. People are the same. To Sarfaraz, the difference is in the borders, not in the people. He believes the heart of two nations beats the same through the passion for cricket, shared cultural values, and the love for life. His request for the Indian cricket team to visit Pakistan and for fans to finally witness Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma and Jasprit Bumrah play on Pakistani soil. While this may seem like a distant dream for many, Sarfaraz Ahmed's words highlight the shared bond cricket creates. It's more than just a game. It's about unity, respect, and the possibility of fostering friendship between two nations through sport. Cricket has the power to bridge gaps, and Sarfaraz Ahmed believes it's time to move beyond the barriers. After all, it's not just the players on the field that matter. It's the fan, the culture, and the love for the game. Well, what do you think? Could we see the Indian cricket team on Pakistani soil once again? It's a long road, but Sarfaraz Ahmed's vision of cricket bringing people together is one that resonates with many. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story right here. We'll be back with more updates soon. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates and stay tuned for Champions Trophy 2025.